Once your child is comfortable and fully understands the visual side of fractions and dividing shapes and shading shapes, it's time to move on to fractions of amounts. With fractions of amounts, I love to use sweeties, but you don't have to use sweets. You can use anything you like. You can use apples, oranges, biscuits, crisps, shells, leaves, anything that you have around the house, or you can use Lego or anything like that. But today I'm going to use some sweeties to show you some fractions of amounts. So first of all, I am just going to sort the sweets into the different categories. So first of all, I am going to start with our cola bottles. So I always recommend starting with a smaller fraction, so we will be starting with a half. So if we're going to split the cola bottles in half, first of all we need to find out how many cola bottles that we have. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So if we're going to split our cola bottles in half, we can just simply divide into two sections. So one for me, one for you, 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 one for me, one for you. And we both get 5 each. So that's splitting them in half. Or the second way is we can take our bottom number of our fraction. 2 goes into 10 5 times, which means we both get 5 each. Half of 10 is 5. So next we are going to use our rings, and we have 9 rings, and we're going to be splitting them into thirds. So we're going to take the bottom number of our fraction, which is 3, and divide 9 by 3, which gives us 3. So that means 1/3 of 9 is 3. So that's 3 rings each. Next we have our gummy bears, and we have 12 gummy bears altogether, and this time we are going to be sorting them into quarters. But this time I'm going to keep 3 quarters and you can have 1 quarter. We're going to divide 12 by the bottom number of our fraction, which is 4. So when we divide 12 by 4 we get 3. So you might want to split them into 3 just like last time. Except this time, because we're working with 3 quarters, we're going to multiply 3 by the top number of our fraction, which is 3. So 3 times 3 is 9. So 3 quarters of 12 is 9, which means I get 9 gummy bears and you get 3. Enjoy! As your child gets more comfortable working with larger amounts and larger fractions, you can just fire all the sweets together and work through them. So we have 48 sweets altogether, and this time we are going to split them into twelfths, which means we're going to have 12 little piles of Haribo, and we're going to divide 48 by the bottom number of our fraction, which is 12. 12 goes into 48 4 times, which means we are going to have 12 groups of 4. We have 12 groups of 4, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 of 48 is 4. And don't forget, when you finish working with all your fractions, it's time to enjoy some tasty treats.